Depreciation. Problems using straight line method. To like, subscribe and share my channel and press the bell icon for early notification. Problems with their solution. First problem. On 1st April 2016, XYZ Limited purchased a machine costing Rs 5 lakh and spent Rs 50,000 on its installation. The estimated life of the machine is 10 years, after which the residual value will be Rs 50,000 only. Find the amount of annual depreciation according to the fixed installment method and prepare machinery account for the first 3 years. The books are closed on 31st March every year. Here calculation of depreciation. The formula of depreciation is cost of machine plus installation charges less scrap value divided by number of years it is used. Here the cost of machine is 5 lakh plus installation charges 50,000 less the scrap value is 50,000 divided by 10 equals to 50,000. We have to draw a machinery account with 8 columns. In debit side there will be date, particulars, journal folio amount, and in credit side there will be again date, particulars, journal folio and amount. First, the machine was purchased. Therefore, machinery account debit to bank account on 1/4/16. The amount will be 5 lakh. Again, the installation charge, that is machinery account debit to bank account, will be 50,000. Here, the depreciation charge for the first year is 50,000 and the remaining balance will be 5 lakh. The same balance will be transferred to the next year, that is 5 lakh. Again, the next year depreciation charge, that is on 31st/3/18, it will be again 50,000. The balance will be 4 lakh 50. The same balance will be transferred to next year opening balance, that is 4 lakh 50. Here again the third year depreciation will be 50,000 and after third year the balance will be rupees 4 lakh. Now next problem. On 1st April 2014, furniture costing Rs 55,000 was purchased. It is estimated that its life is 10 years, at the end of which it will be sold. It will be sold for Rs 5,000. Additions are made on 1st April 2015 and 1st October 2017 to the value of Rs 9,500 and Rs 8,400. Residual value will be Rs 500 and 400 respectively. Show the furniture account for the first 4 years if depreciation is written off according to straight line method. The working notes. Depreciation on furniture 1, that is 55,000 less 5,000 divided by 10 equals to 5,000. Depreciation on second furniture, that is 9,500 less 500 divided by 10 equals to 900. Depreciation on third furniture, that is 8,400 less 400 divided by 10 equals to 800. Depreciation for furniture 3 will be counted for 6 months only, that is from 1/10/2017 to 31st/3/2018. For 6 months depreciation will be 800 divided by 2, that is 400. Now we have to draw furniture account. Again we have to draw 8 columns. On debit side it will be date, particulars, ledger folio and amount, and on credit side again date, particulars, ledger folio and amount. Now first furniture account debit to bank account, that is 55,000. The depreciation for the first year is 5,000. The balance will be 50,000. The same balance is transferred to next year. Again we will purchase the second furniture, that is furniture account debit to bank account for 9,500. Depreciation on first furniture will be 5,000. Depreciation on second furniture will be 900. Therefore, balance will be 5,600. The same balance will be transferred to third year. Again for third year, the depreciation for first furniture will be 5,000 and the depreciation for third furniture will be 900 and the balance will remain at 47,700. The 47,700 will be carried forward to next year. Here the third furniture will be purchased, that is furniture account debit to bank account 8,400. Now depreciation for first furniture will be 5,000, for second furniture will be 900 and for third furniture, which is used only 6 months, will be 400. Here the balance will be 49,800. problem 3. A van was purchased on 1st April 2015 for rupees 60,000 and rupees 5,000 was spent on its repairs and registration. On 1st October 2016, another van was purchased for rupees 70,000. On 1st April 2017, the first van which was purchased on 1st April 2015 was sold for rupees 45,000 and a new van costing rupees 1,70,000 was purchased on the same date. Show the van account for 2015-16 to 2017-18 on the basis of straight line method. If the rate of depreciation charged is 10% per annum. Assume the books are closed on 31st March every year. Here the working notes. First, calculation of depreciation per annum. For first van, 65,000 multiplied by 10 divided by 100 equals to 6,500. For second van, that is 70,000 multiplied by 10 divided by 100, that is 7,000. And for third van, that is 1,70,000 multiplied by 10 divided by 100 equals to 17,000. Now calculation of profit or loss on the sale of first van. Therefore, book value of the van on 1/4/2017 is 52,000 less the sale of the van equals to 45,000. Therefore, loss on sale of the van will be 7,000. This van account. Again, we have to draw 8 columns. On the debit side, it will be date, particulars, journal folio, amount. On the credit side, again, it will be the same date, particulars, journal folio and amount. For first, van account debit to bank account. When first van was purchased, that is 65,000. Depreciation for first van is 6,500. The balance amount is 58,500. The 58,500 will be transferred to next year. Here second van was purchased. Van account debit to bank account, that is 70,000. Now the depreciation on first van is 6,500 and on second van it is 3,500. The balance will be 1,18,500. 1,18,500 is transferred to next year. On the same date, the van was sold. The sale of the van, the amount is rupees 45,000 and loss on sale is rupees 7,000. Again, third van was purchased on the same date, that is 1/4/17, and the cost of the third van was rupees 1,70,000. By depreciation account, depreciation of second van only because the first van was already sold is 7,000. Depreciation on third van is 17,000. Therefore the balance will be 2,12,500. Journal entry on depreciation. Mr. Rathod and Brothers Private Limited purchased a plant for rupees 6 lakh on 1st April 2016 and spent rupees 50,000 for installation. The salvage value of the plant after the useful life of 10 years is estimated to be 10,000. Past journal entries for the year 2016-17 using straight line method. If the books of account closes on 31st March every year and the firm charges depreciation to the asset account. Here working notes is depreciation equals to the cost of the plant, that is 6 lakh plus installation charges 5 lakh less scrap value or residual value after 10 years, that is 10,000, divided by the number of years it is used, that is 10, equals to 60,000. Therefore, we have to draw 5 columns. One for date, another for particulars, another for ledger folio, debit and credit. The first journal will be plant account debit to bank account when plant purchased for rupees 6 lakh. The second journal will be plant account debit to bank account, expenses incurred on installation. Third will be depreciation account debit to plant account, depreciation charged on asset, that is 64,000, and the same depreciation will be debited to profit and loss account, that is profit and loss account debit to depreciation account. Fourth journal, that is 64,000. If you have any questions, comment me in the comment section below.